English teachers पढ़ाए तो simple लगे everything. Leaderboards and quizzes से
Amazing.
learning हो जाए happening. समझ आएगा तो मजा आएगा.
Vedantu. Learn live online. To attend a free live class, download the app now.
Hey class, hello and welcome everyone to today's session by me Gopal Paliwal, Master Teacher of Mathematics at Vedantu, right? So today we are starting a new series for your ICSE 10th and we have been getting a lot of requests to start the series for ICSE 10th also. So we'll be starting this series from today for ICSE 10th grade also, and we'll be discussing all the questions which are there in your syllabus. Okay, bacho? So now, those of your friends who are not aware about this series, let them know about this part. So like this video, share this video with your friends who don't know about this, and let's start the session. Okay, so as you know, bacho, this is a fast track course and we'll be starting with your first unit, which is your commercial mathematics. Okay, so in this case your share, dividend and your recurring deposit, so all these chapters will be dealing all the problems with. Okay, so in this part we'll be dealing with all these chapters, right? So let us start the class and we'll be starting with some questions. So before that, let me tell you the schedule. So today we are doing commercial mathematics part 1. The next part will come on 17th January. Okay, again with me only. So this is the next session of 4 mathematics is on 17th January. Now bacho, let us start the session. So the first question we have is this. Rekha opened a recurring deposit account for 20 months. The rate of interest is 90% per annum and Rekha receives 441 as interest at the time of maturity. Find the amount Rekha deposited each month. So now bacho, let's see what will happen in this case. First part, as you know, in case of recurring deposit, what happens is that suppose if you are see this part here, what they are saying, for 20 months she is depositing for any principal amount. Suppose every month you will be depositing 100 rupees. So for the first month, 100 rupees in your account. So the interest will be only for that 100 rupees. In the next month, you are depositing 100 rupees more. So now on this 200 rupees, you will be getting the interest. The next month on 300 rupees, the next month on 400 rupees. So this way, the interest every month increases. The interest every month increases. So for this kind of question, bachon, we know that the interest which we get will be equal to P into n plus 1 divided by 2 into 1 by 12 into R by 100. This is what telling you, this whole part is telling you कि भैया this principal for this much time. Okay, for first month 100 rupees, for second month 200 rupees. So if I suppose say that this part is for 12 month, this recurring deposit scheme is for 12 months. So the first 100 rupees which you have given deposit in the first month, on that 100 rupees you will be getting the interest 12 times because for 12 months. The next month whatever 100 rupees you will be depositing, on that 100 rupees you will be getting the interest for 11 months, then for 10 months, then for 9 months and like so on. So you'll be getting 100 for 100 rupees. The first month which you have deposited, it will be getting the interest 12 times, then 11 times, then 10 times. So using all this formula, this will be the final formula you have. So now see, n is what bacho? Number of months. As simple as that. So bhaiya, they have told ki the interest is what? 441 is equal to what we need to find out? We need to find out the amount Rekha deposited each month. What is the amount deposited each month? It is principal amount. So P we don't know, into. Now what is saying that Rekha opened a recurring deposit account for 20 months. So number of months is what? 20. So I can say 20 into n plus 1 is 21 divided by 2 into 1 by 12 into R by 100. Right? So the simplest form is what? 441 is equal to P into 20 into 21 into R. R is given 90% per annum. Wow, बहुत बढ़िया. So R is given as 90 divided by 2 into 12 into 100. Right? So to get the value of P, let's shift everything to that side. So you'll be getting P will be equal to 441 this denominator will go in numerator. So 2 into 12 into 100 divided by 20 into 21 into 90. 2 zeros to 2 zeros got cancelled. 21 ones are 21 times. 21 into 21 is 441. So if you remember the square, it will help you in this way, right? Now, the next part we can say that, sir, it is 3 3s are, 3 4s are, this is 3 7s are, and this 2 to this 2 got cancelled. So we are left with what? 7 into 4, which is 28, which is equal to what? 28. So sorry, 280, which means we have missed something. Okay, so this is a typing mistake. It is not 90%, it is 9%. Okay, that is what I was saying. Yeah, that is a quite high rate of percentage. So it is 9 only. So beta, if it is 9, it will be 9 here. So it will come out to be 280. Okay, the question was written wrong here. That is why the answer. So if we take the rate of interest as 9%, the main part you'll be getting it as rupees 280. So what is the main thing to understand? This formula, that the interest, this interest formula you need to remember, in case of recurring deposit will be P into n into n plus 1 divided by 2. This is telling you that how this principal amount 100 rupees na, it has been effectively used for how many months, even though it is given 20 months, but 100 rupees which you have done at the starting is being generating interest for 20 months. The next 100 which you have got, that is generating interest for 19 months. The next 100 is generating interest for 18 months. So overall the interest generated is not equal to 20 months. Interest is generated for a huge amount of month. Okay, then into 1 by 12. Why 1 by 12? This 1 by 12 is telling us ki whatever it is, this rate percentage has to be divided by 12, because we are getting rate percentage per annum. So 1 by 12, if I say into R, so this will be giving me rate percentage per month divided by 100. This formula you need to understand, and this will give you the interest. So this will give you the interest. So here interest was given, so P is equal to what? 280. That means every month she is depositing rupees 280 for the coming 20 months. So at the end, her interest, only her interest is 441. So the final amount will be what, bacho? 280 rupees she is. So suppose sometimes they will be saying final amount or the maturity amount, that when the scheme gets matured, so final amount will be what, or the maturity amount will be what? Maturity amount will be, see, this 280 rupees she has been submitting for 20 months. So I will say, sir, this money though is not going anywhere. This money is not going anywhere. 280 rupees for 20 months plus the interest which is given as 441. So 28 into 2 is 5600 plus 441. So you will be getting it as 6041. Understood? So this will be your maturity amount. This will be your maturity amount. Understood? Although it was not asked, but I have solved this part for you as well. Let's move for the next question. So the next question we have is what? Sonia had a recurring deposit in a bank account and deposit rupees 600 per month. So beta, I can say that's my P is what? Rupees 600. The time duration they have given 2.5 years. You remember, bachon, very important that in this case the time duration always have to be in months. So 2.5 years, how do you convert it into months? So 2.5 years we have. In 2 years there will be 24 months, and in the half year there will be 6 months only. So 24 plus 6 is 30 months. If the rate of interest R is also given, find out the maturity value. To get the maturity value, first thing is to get the interest. I know that the value of interest will be 600 P into n plus 1. N into n plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 12 into R by 100, which is 10 by 100. Right? You can say, sir, this is 15 times. And then you can say this to this got cancelled. And then you can say, sir, this 0 to this 0 got cancelled. 4s are, 3 4s are, 3 5s are. And then we can say, sir, 4 1s are, 15s are. So we are left with 15 into 5 into 31. 15 5s are is 75 into 31 we need to do. So 75 into 31
will be 75, and then 3 5s are 15, power 1, 22. So 5, 7 plus 5 is 2, power 1, 3, 2325. So the interest is what, bacho? Rupees 2325. Now we need to find out the maturity value. Now we need to find out the maturity value. What is the maturity value equal to, bacho? Maturity value is, first thing is how much money she has deposited. 600 per month for 30 months. So first thing is the total amount she has deposited is principal amount per month into the number of months plus the interest. So you will be getting 600 into 30 plus 2325 plus 2325. So this will give you 18,000 plus 2325. So 20,325 will be your final amount. 20,325 will be your final amount. Okay, so you can see the solution one more time here. This is how it will be done. Right, let's move to the next question. Jaya borrowed 50,000 for 2 years. She has borrowed 50,000 for 2 years. The rate of interest for two successive means one after the other, the next consecutive. So the rate of interest for two successive years are 12% and 15%. Right? So for the first year it is 12%, for the second year it is 15%. She repays 33,000 at the end of first year. What she did, that once the first year got over, she repaid 33,000. Now, see, if the interest part is not there, if we are not charging any interest, I know, so from 50,000, if I subtract 33,000, 17,000 is remaining. But this is not the case. Interest is also being charged. So first I need to find out that at the end of the first year, including interest, what is the final amount? Understood? First step. So what is the first step? To get the final amount at the end of the first year. To get the final amount at the end of the first year. So let's do that. Sir, final amount at the end of the first year. There are two ways. Either you can do first find out the simple interest and then add in the final amount, add in the principal, or you can use the formula for the compound interest also. So which will be equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 raised to the power time. So P is what, beta? Principal is 50,000 into 1 plus rate for the first year is 12%. 12 by 100 in raised to the power time. Time is what? 1 year only. So you'll be getting 50,000 into, it will be 112 by 100. So 2 zeros to 2 zeros got cancelled. So you will be getting what? 0, 0. 56,000. So 56,000 is the final amount. So this amount which she has borrowed, at the end of the first year, if she want to close the loan, she has to pay 56,000 because 12% was rate interest. But she has paid how much? She has paid only 33,000. So I can say now the remaining amount for second year, remaining amount for the second year, this remaining amount, what will be the remaining amount? Sir, 56,000 minus whatever she has repaid, which is 33,000. So what are you getting? You are getting 23,000 is the remaining amount. She has to pay 23,000 more at the end of the first year. At the end of the first year. At that same moment, if she get 23,000 more, her loan will be done. But this is not the case. In the second year, now we are coming to the second year phase. For the second year phase, beta, the rate of interest is what? 15%. The rate of interest for the second year is what? 15%. Now they are saying, find the amount she must pay at the end of second year to clear her debt. Now this rate percentage, 15% debt, 15% interest will be charged on this amount only because this much is the amount remaining. So now I need to find out that, sir, how much will be the final amount if I charge interest of 15% on 23,000. So let's do that part. Okay, so I want to find out the final amount at the end of second year. Beta, second year, remember, it is second year. Only for that second year. Second year means what? Time duration is 1 year only. Na? By 0 to first year, 1 year. First to second year, 1 year. Understood? So time period is 1 year only. So I can say final amount for the second year will be, my principal amount, what was that? 23,000. So 23,000, on this 23,000, I will charge the interest of 15%. So many people make the mistake here, they will make the power 2 here, which is wrong. Because I am calculating for second year, I am not calculating for 2 year. There's a difference. I am at the second place in my class. So I am at the second rank. I am the I have two boys in my class. That means there are only 2 boys. So there is a difference. When I say second place, that means there may be more. Okay. So I am saying by first year I have calculated. When the first year ends, the final amount, the remaining amount was 23,000. Now on the second year, when the second year starts, by second year when I am saying I am taking about the second year. So only 1 year is there. So in that second year, I will charge the amount, I will charge the interest only for the remaining amount, which is 23,000. So let's solve this. So we'll be getting 23,000 into 115 by 100. Cancel this, cancel this. So we need to do 230 into 115. Let's do 230 into 115. What will be getting? 0, 15 power 1, 11. Then 230 as it is. And then 230 as it is. Let's see. 0, 5, 3 plus 1 is 4, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6, 26450. So she has to pay now. In the second year, at the end of the second year, she has to pay rupees 26,450 to clear her debt. Understood? So we need to break this into 2 parts. That is the most important thing. Let's move for the next question, bacho. Okay, so first year we have got the remaining amount is 23,000, and for the second year we'll be getting 26,450. Let's move for the next question. The catalog price of a computer set is 42,000. The shopkeeper gives a discount of 10% on the listed price. Always remember that discount is always calculated on the marked price. Discount is always calculated on marked price. Then he further gives an off-season discount of 5% on the discounted price. Remember what it is saying? 5% more discount on the discounted price. That means from this original price, after getting this 10% discount, whatever is the discounted price, on that discounted price, 5% more discount. Right? Then, however, sales tax at 8% is charged on the remaining price. That means after getting the second discount also, whatever is the remaining price, on that 8% of the sales tax is charged. Find out the amount of sales tax a customer has to pay and the total price to be paid by the customer for the computer set. Okay, let's start with. So first thing I need to find out, that's the first, this discounted price. What will be the discounted price after the discount of 10%? So I can say, sir, discounted price after discount of 10% I need to find out first. Okay, so first we need to find out what is the discount. So I will find out the discount of 10%. So the discount on mark price, discount on the list price or mark price, both are same thing, is equal to 10% of the mark price or the list price. What is that? 42,000. So 4,200 rupees discount is given. So what is the discounted price? I can say that's a discounted price will be equal to the mark price minus 4,200. So what you'll be getting from 42,000, 4,000, if I subtract 38, 37,800 will be your discounted price after the discount of 10%. Now on this price beta, on this price I am giving 5% more discount. So now I can say final price, or in this case it will be selling price. So final price will be, sir, 5% more discount. Okay, so first calculate discount only. First calculate discount. So discount will be equal to, discount at 5% will be equal to 5 by 100 of 37800. So you'll be getting what? 1890 rupees. Further discount of 1890 rupees you have to give more. So I can say that, sir, my final price or the price which is the selling price will be equal to what? Will be equal to that, sir, from this 37800 subtract 1890. From 37800 subtract 1890. So you will be getting your final price. What it will be equal to? It will be equal to 0, 10 minus 9, 1, and then there it will be only 7. So 17 minus 8 is 9, and then here it will be 6, 5. So 35910. This is the final selling price. This is the price that the customer will pay other than sales tax. But sales tax has to be added here. Okay, so selling price is the price at which the seller is selling. Sales tax is different. Sales tax will go to the government. Understood? So this is the selling price. On this selling price, we charge the sales tax. Sales tax is charged on what? Selling price. Sales tax is never charged on the mark price. So this is also one more thing. If any shopkeeper is doing fraud with you, you can find out. How? Always remember, whatever mark price is written on that part. If mark price rupees 100, but if he is giving you a discount of 20% and if he is selling it to you at 80 rupees, the sales tax will be charged on rupees 80, not on that rupees 100. Understood? So sales tax is always calculated on the selling price, the price at which the seller is selling the item. So now I need to find out the sales tax. Boy, what is the sales tax? 8%. So I can say that the amount of sales tax will be equal to 8% of 35910. Right? So this part I will calculate. Whatever answer I am getting, that sales tax, if I add into the selling price, I will get my final price. So I'll just show you the calculation, what is happening here. So bachcho, till here we have done 35910. On this 35910, sales tax at 8%, 8 by 100 of 35910 will be equal to what? 2872.8 rupees. Now this is the sales tax which the customer has to pay extra. So on selling price plus the sales tax will give you the final payment to be made. So final payment or the final amount which the customer has to pay for the computer set will be 38,782.8 rupees. Okay, this is how we can solve this question. So what are the important things, bacho? First important thing is discount we have to calculate on the mark price. If there is further more discount, so they will tell you that this discount is either on the mark price or on the discounted price. Second thing is sales tax is always charged on the selling price. Okay, you cannot charge the sales tax on the mark price. Is it clear? Let's move for the next question. The next question is this. Mr. Richard has a recurring deposit account in a bank for 3 years. 3 years. Remember, the time is not for years in recurring deposit case. We take the time in number of months. So number of months I will be getting is 12 into 3, 36 months. Right? Then they are saying, so this will be giving me 36 months. Rate percentage is given 7.5% per annum. Simple interest. If he gets rupees 8,325 as the interest at the time of maturity, find out the monthly deposit. Obviously, find out the monthly deposit and the maturity value. Maturity value will be very easy, right? So let us find out. I know that, sir, the interest will be equal to what, beta? The interest will be equal to P into n plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 12 into r by 100 we have done. So directly we'll write. But what is P? I don't know. But I know the interest is what? 8325. So 8325 interest is equal to P, I don't know, into n. Number of months is what? By 3 years. So 12 3s are 36. N into n plus 1 divide by 2 into 1 by 12 into what is R? R is 7.5. Beta 7.5 I can write as 15 by 2. Right? So let us write it as 15 by 2 into 100, R by 100. Right? Easy. Now let's see what simplification we can do here. Or let's do one thing, let's shift everything to that side. So you'll be getting P will be equal to 8325 into the denominator part will go there. So into 2 into 12 into 2 into 100 divided by 36 into 37 into 1 into 15. 1 to no need to write. So into 15. Right? Now, but you see, I have this thing, if 37 is given, it might get cancelled. So you can check also. So 37, how many times it will cancel? 37 by 8325. 37. So first thing I can say, so 37 ones are, 37 twos are will be what? 60 plus 14 will be equal to 74. 2s are 74. Okay. So what you are getting, if it is 2s are 74, 13 minus 4 is 9, 925, 37 with 9, 92, sorry, what 925, 92. So now 37, then this, then 92 will go, 92 will be late. So again 2s are 974, 74. So 12 minus 4 is 8, 1 and 185, and I think 37 5s is 185 only. 5 7s are 35 power 3, 5s are 185. So it is coming by 225 times. 225 times. And this is 15 square, 15 ones are 15 15s are. Right? Easy calculation. This is how you need to pick the calculation. Now see, array, I have calculated 36. Not 36, 37 is got cancelled. Okay, and then I can say so 12 ones are, 12 threes are, 3 ones are, 3 fives are. Is there anything in the denominator? No sir, everything in the denominator is taken care of. Now what we are left here, bachon? We are left here with 5 into 2 into 2 into 100. So 5 into 2 is 10, 10 into 2 is 20, 20 into 100 is 2000. So the monthly deposit is of rupees 2000. Monthly deposit is of rupees 2000. But if I have got the monthly deposit, I can say that sir, my maturity value is very easy to calculate. What is maturity value? Maturity value is P into N plus I. Maturity value is P into N, principal deposit per month into number of months plus the interest. I have been depositing rupees 2000 for 36 months plus the interest which I have got is what? 8325. So 36 into 2 will be equal to what? 72,000 plus 8325. So I will say sir 80,325 is my maturity value. 80,325 will be my maturity value. As simple as that. Okay, so I will show you this part here also. 80,325, as simple as that. Calculation may be difficult sometimes, but you can easily do that part. Next question. A page from the saving bank account of Mrs. Ravi is given below. Okay, bhai, Mrs. Ravi's bank account here is given below. What they are asking? She closed the account on 30th September 2006. Calculate the interest Mrs. Ravi earned at the end of 30th September 2006 at 4.5% per annum interest. Hence, find the amount she receives on closing the account. So, beta, here we have data from what? April. So, April to September, we need to calculate how much interest will she be generating. So, the main thing here, bacho, you know what? What is the main thing here? The main thing here is to find out that what is the qualifying amount. What is the qualifying amount? What is qualifying amount? The amount on which we will calculate the interest for that month. And what is the qualifying amount? Qualifying amount is the minimum amount. Qualifying amount is the minimum amount in that particular month from the 10th of that month till the end. From the 10th. Suppose if I am calculating the minimum amount, so I need to check that during, suppose for the April month. So I need to check that from 10 April till the 30th April, January, February, March, April, 30th April, what is the minimum balance? On that minimum balance, I will give the interest. As simple as that. Okay, so from the 10th of that month till the end of the month, in this period, whatever is the minimum amount, that will be called your qualifying amount. So what I have told bachcho, what is qualifying amount? Qualifying amount. Qualifying amount, as I have told you, is what? Minimum amount in the account from 10th of the month till end of the month. Till the end of the month. Right? So beta, agar once you have got this qualifying amount na, then to everything is very easy. Let's look at the passbook now. Now see, April 3rd is given, we don't care about it. We will see if I want to calculate the qualifying amount for April, I will see from 10th of the April till the 30th April, whatever is the minimum amount. At 7th April, it is 8,300. Okay, but 7th is before 10. I don't care about it. After 10, so after 10, to beta, they have given April 15th, the amount is what? 11,800. But this deposit has been made on 11,800. That means that from 7th April till 14th April, the amount in the account was what? 8,300 only. The amount in the account was 8,300 only. So I can say that, sir, on the 10th of the April, the amount in the account was 8,300. After that, from 15th onward, it will become 11,800. So till now, the minimum account in the balance from 10th till 15th is minimum is 8,300. The next thing, whatever next changes he is doing in the May, that means I know that, sir, the amount which was there on the 10th of the April, 8,300 is the minimum amount. So I can say the qualifying amount, I can say that's a qualifying amount for April will be 8,300. For April, it will be 8,300. Now let's talk about May. Beta, on May, he is withdrawing 4,200 and he is left with a balance of 7,600. Now see, from 15th April till 20th May, no activity in the balance. So I can say, sir, on 10th of the May, on 10th of the May, the amount in the account should definitely be 11,800 because nothing has been done. Nothing has been done. So by this 11,800, this amount is in that account from 15th April till 19th May. From 15th April till 19th May, the account is having a balance of 11,800. But on 20th May, I withdraw some amount and I am getting only with 7,600. And what is the qualifying amount, beta? Qualifying amount is the minimum amount. By bank wale are very clever people, na? They won't give you interest for free. They'll say ki from the 10th till the end of the month, whatever is the minimum amount, I'll give you interest on that. So beta, minimum to now in the month of May is what? 7,600 only. So the qualifying amount for the month of May will be 7,600. Let's talk about June. In June 10th, now see June 10th, that is our date. So from June 10th, we'll see June 10th, he has deposited amount and it is 13,400. But the next activity, June 15th, he withdrew something. So beta, in June, the minimum amount, what is the minimum amount in June? 10,300 only. The minimum amount in June is 10,300. So I will say that, sir, for June, it will be 10,300. Right? If suppose, if you would have not taken this part out, if you would have not done anything, this withdrawal, if you would have not done, I will say it will be 13,400. But since he has taken the withdrawal, now the minimum amount is 10,300. Then after June, directly we are getting August. After June, directly we are getting August. That means in July, no activity. So the amount on June 15th, if it was 10,300, during July also, since I have not taken anything, not deposited anything, same amount will be there in the account. So I can say for July also the same thing, sir. For July also I will say it will be 10,300. it will be 10,300. Now for August, beta on August he deposited 1,000 rupees. So August May we have 11,300. But on which date he has done? He has done it on the date of what? 13th. That means on 10th of the August, we have a minimum balance which is 10,300 only. So till now the minimum is 10,300. After that, on 25th, he has taken 7,400 out. So now this is the minimum amount for the August, and banks wale are very clever. They'll say, bhaiya, we'll give you the interest on the minimum amount. So beta August mein the minimum amount is what? 3,900. So this is how, see, the bank will tricks. Banks tricks, they will give you now the interest only of 3,900. Doesn't matter for them, although you have 11,300 for so many days. Only 5 days were left. August 25, you have taken this much money out. But now for the whole month of August, you will get the interest only on rupees 3,900 because it is the minimum account in the month of August from 10th August till the 31st August. As simple as that. Then September 6th to beta, you are getting the amount as what? 5,900. That is September 6th. But there is a clue. What is that? They have taken that she has closed the account on 30th of September. If she has closed the account on the 30th of September beta, 30th September she has withdrawn all the money. And that means on 30th September, the amount in her account is rupees 0. And we have got our minimum amount. So I can say, sir, qualifying amount for September will be 0 rupees because on the last day of September, she has taken the money out. So now I will not give any interest for the month of September because her amount, the minimum amount for the month of September is rupees 0. So these are my what bachcho? Qualifying amounts. Okay. So what we say, qualifying amount are the minimum amount. For any month, if you are finding out the qualifying amount, it is the minimum amount in the account from the 10th of that month till the end. Right, beta? So these are the qualifying amount we have got. Now they are saying, ki beta, the bank is giving 4.5% per annum interest. So the total amount, wait, beta, what is the total principal amount? So total principal amount now you need to calculate. So add all of them. In this total, let's say we have got it X, calculation, whatever, I'll show you the calculation. We'll understand the concept. So beta, whatever this total amount we have got, on this total amount, I will give the interest of 4.5%. I will give the interest of 4.5%. So divide by 100. Total amount, that means 4.5% on this amount, 4.5% on this amount, 4.5% on this amount, so on. So on all the amount, in this whole amount, I am giving 4.5% interest. So total amount into 4.5 by 100, right? So let's see what is the value of X. The value of X, bachcho, adding all, we are getting 40,400. See, after August, we have not written September. Why it is not written, I have told you, because since she has withdrawn the amount on 30th of September, so for that month the minimum balance is 0, so no need to give any interest. So the sum of all will be 40,400. Now on this 40,400, calculate the interest, 40,400. Acha, one more thing beta. This annum, this is what? Per annum. Annum means per year. So beta, this 40,400 you have got, na? On this 40,400 into, by time is what? For 1 month. Or you can say, sir, it is per annum, na? It is per annum. So per month, the rate of interest will be R by 12. So you can remember it in this way, sir, P into what is the rate of percent you are giving interest? So rate of percent we are giving interest is 4.5 per annum. So for 1 month, it will be 4.5 by 12. Divide by 100. So you will be getting 40,400, now 40,400. So 40,400 into 4.5 can be written as 9 by 2 into 12 and then 100 also in denominator. So this part beta we need to calculate. If you will calculate, you will be getting it as 151.50. So 151.5 rupees is the interest. Beta, if this is the interest, so the final amount which you will be getting is, sir, the final amount which you will receive. Now see, final amount is bit tricky. What is the bit tricky part? Ki beta, see, when she was closing it, I know ki now, sir, my interest is 151.5. Beta, see, but this total amount does not play any role in the final amount, because this is the final amount for all these months. Okay, for this month, for this month, for this month. So this 151 rupees which we have got is the interest, total interest, from some from the month of April, some from the month of May, some from the month of June, some from the month of July. So overall of that is 151.5. Now how much money will she withdraw? Will she be able to withdraw when she close the account? I will say that, sir, on September 6th, what is the final amount, beta? 5,900. So on 30th September, since no activity is there, in her account, the amount will be 5,900. So in this 5,900, I will add my interest. So I will say that, sir, 5,900 plus 151.5, you will be getting rupees 6051.50. Understood? So this is how, bachon, these kind of questions are done. Okay, let's move to the next question. A dealer buys an article at a discount of 30% from the wholesaler, the mark price being 6,000. So mark price is 6,000 and the discount of 30% is given. The dealer sells it to the shopkeeper at a discount of 10% on the mark price. Now see, here they have given first from dealer. The dealer has bought something from the wholesaler at a discount of 30%. Now that dealer is selling the same item at a discount of 10% on mark price to a shopkeeper. If the rate of VAT is 6%, find the price paid by the shopkeeper including the tax, how much that shopkeeper will see. So we have three persons: wholesaler, dealer and shopkeeper. So this dealer will buy from wholesaler and then will sell it to the shopkeeper. So how much is the price paid by the shopkeeper including the tax and the VAT paid by the dealer? The VAT paid by the dealer. Now see, understand. This cursor number, sir, beta, second question. This is a very interesting concept. I'll tell you what. First, let us understand what will happen here. By VAT, whenever you are making a sale, you have to pay, or whenever you are purchasing something, some part you are purchasing, so VAT you have to give. As a consumer, I will be paying some VAT. Okay, so and that VAT will not go to the shopkeeper. It will go to the government. So now, beta, I have a dealer buys an article at a discount of 30% from the wholesaler. And what is the mark price? 6,000. So I can say, sir, first we'll talk about the dealer. What is happening with dealer? So dealer, I can say how much will be the discount dealer will be getting. So the discount will be 30% of 6,000. 30% of 6,000, 2 zeros to 2 zeros got cancelled. So 3 6 18, 1800 rupees is the discount. So I will say, sir, discounted price, which is now the price at which the wholesaler is selling, will be equal to what? Sir, 6,000 minus 1800, which will be equal to what? 4,200. Now the wholesaler will be charging the VAT at this price, right? So how much will be the VAT? Sir, I can say, sir, VAT will be on selling price, will be saying VAT is 6%. So 6% of 4,200. This to this got cancelled. What will be getting? 6 2s are 12, power 1, 252. Rupees 252 will be paid by the dealer. Rupees 252 will be paid by the dealer for the VAT, as the VAT. 252 rupees the dealer has to pay as the VAT. Let's move for the next question. Sorry, the next part. Now this dealer, what is doing? He is selling it to the shopkeeper. Now see what happens with the shopkeeper. So beta, dealer, how much you know? How much dealer will pay? Dealer will pay 1800 plus this 252. Right? Clear? So now let's see what will happen with shopkeeper. Shopkeeper is getting a discount of 10% on mark price only. So now I can say, sir, the discount for shopkeeper will be 10% of the mark price, which is what? 6,000 only. So you'll be getting rupees 600. Discount is of rupees 600. So I can say, sir, the discounted price or the price at which the shopkeeper will get the item will be equal to what? Sir, from 6,000 subtract 600, you will be getting what, beta? You will be getting 5,400. Now the VAT will be charged on this amount, 5,400. So the VAT will be equal to what, beta? The VAT will be equal to 5,400 into 6% of it. 324 rupees. So the shopkeeper has paid 324 rupees as the VAT. Now the price paid by the, now let's solve the question. The price paid by the shopkeeper including the tax. First one, the price paid by the shopkeeper. Beta, price paid by shopkeeper, I will be saying, sir, how much is the price for him? The price for him is 5,400. Plus, how much tax he has paid? He has paid rupees 324 as the tax. So I can say the price will be 5,724 rupees. The price paid by the shopkeeper to the dealer will be 5,724 rupees. Now the next case is very interesting. The VAT paid by the dealer. The VAT paid by the dealer. Now many of you must be thinking ki sir, rupees 252 is given here na? Sir, rupees 252 is given here. So this much amount of the VAT will be paid by the dealer? Nah. This is not the case. This is not the case. In this case, bachcho, think about it. I have told you कि बेटा this VAT is given to the government. This VAT is given to the government, and who repays the VAT? The VAT is paid by the government by the seller. Paid to the government by the seller. Suppose I am a shopkeeper. You came to me. Okay, you came to me, I gave you say this pen of rupees 100, I gave it to you, 10 rupees was the VAT. You paid me 110 rupees. Now you will not give this 10 rupees to the government. No, you are giving it to me. I will give this 10 rupees to the government. The seller gives the VAT to the government, right? So in this case, bachcho, now you know, if the dealer is buying, by see, this dealer is what? Buyer. And here shopkeeper is what? Buyer, or the consumer you can say. And in this case, beta, when the dealer is the buyer, I can say that sir, when the dealer is the buyer, when dealer is buyer, who is the seller? Wholesaler. Wholesaler is the buyer, wholesaler is the seller, and here who is the seller? Dealer. Dealer is the seller. Okay. Understand this relation. Dealer is the seller, and here in this case wholesaler is seller. So wholesaler is selling the item to dealer. So beta, this VAT is given to the government by the wholesaler. This VAT is given to the government by wholesaler and paid by dealer. So understand, paid by dealer. Paid by dealer. 252 rupees by the dealer has already paid. 252 rupees the dealer has already paid while purchasing, and this 252 rupees will go to the government through wholesaler, right? Now in the second stage, when this dealer is the seller and is selling to the shopkeeper, in this case he is charging rupees 324 as the VAT. He is charging rupees 324 as the VAT. That means at this level, by this level, the government should get rupees 324 as the VAT. At this stage, the government should get rupees 324 as the VAT. Now, by see, this 252 rupees is already in the pocket of government through wholesaler, right? So now the dealer, if suppose dealer pays this much, now this is the bad thing for dealer na yaar. He is paying here, that is wrong. So I will say, sir, when the VAT paid by dealer we need to find out. VAT paid by dealer, bacha, when we need to find out, I will say that, sir, dealer has collected a VAT of rupees 324, which should go to the government. But out of this 324, dealer has already paid 252. Dealer has already paid 252. So the remaining amount will be paid by the dealer. So what is the remaining amount? 72 rupees will be paid by the dealer. 72 rupees will be paid by the dealer. Okay, so I will show you one more time how the solution is working. By market price is this, so I have got, this is the VAT, which is sales tax, which is the wholesaler will be paying to the government at this stage, from wholesaler to the dealer. When it goes from dealer to the shopkeeper, he will be paying a total of 324 rupees. 324 rupees here. Now the government at this level should get rupees 324. Government has already got 252 by dealer. So the remaining amount now the dealer will pay, which is 324 minus 252, which is rupees 72. Which is what, beta? Rupees 72. So this is the main part, VAT paid by the dealer. Understood? Okay, so this is all bachon in this class. Now, if you want to achieve good marks in your ICSE 10th board, very important thing I'm telling you. So these are the toppers for our previous batch, Sandali, Aman, Likhita. And you can see their percentage, 96%, 95%, 93.16%. So if you really want to be in this level, if you really want to get your photo pasted here, what you can do is, we have this Vedantu 9th and 10th. These are the faculties. Okay, many of you must be knowing Abhishek sir, Anubha ma'am, Ambika ma'am, and I am Gopal Paliwal, Master Teacher of Mathematics at Vedantu. Right? So now, bachon, for you, we have got this part. Now see, as you know, this is the final examination part, right? All of you must be preparing very hard. I know that. I have a good thing for you. Suppose, for example, you have some doubts. You have some doubts in 1 or 2 chapter. What you can do is, you can get your doubts cleared at rupees 1. How? Take the 1 class challenge. What you'll do? Take 1 class challenge, download the Vedantu app. Step 1, download the Vedantu app. On that Vedantu app, select your grade and attend any one master class. Attend any one master class. When you are attending, send the screenshot of the master class that you have attended and link of the micro course which you want to purchase. Now you must be asking, what is micro course? But a micro course are the courses which are chapter specific. I'm telling you, don't go. It is very important part. You'll love it. So these are the chapter specific course for the small course. These are the small courses as the name suggests. 1 chapter, 1 course, 2nd chapter, 2nd course. So whatever chapter you have doubt, you can select that micro course. So the screenshot of the masterclass which you have attended and the link of the masterclass which you want to purchase, send it to youtube@vedantu.com. Send it to email it at youtube@vedantu.com. Once you'll send us the email, we will send you one confirmation email along with the coupon code. Again, go to the link of the micro course which you want to purchase. Right, click on apply now, click on enroll now, and I have a coupon code. In that coupon code, give the coupon code which you have given and you will get that micro course at rupees 1. That means in rupees 1, all your doubts will be cleared. Okay, now there must be some students who are having doubts in all the chapters, all the subjects, maybe why. So for them, we have ICSE 10th crash course. Okay, you will be having physics, chemistry, maths and biology classes will be taken care, and you will be having comprehensive test, very important for the examination part, assignments so that you can do more and more practice, and you will be having doubt solving by academic mentors. They will be mentoring you. Any doubts you have, that will be solved. Teachers they will be having the communication with you, how your study is going, where you are facing difficulty, all those things. Replay and recording of the classes you have missed. This feature you will not get in the school. In school, suppose if you are absent for 1 day, you cannot go next day and say, sir, please teach one more time. But here, you can rewatch this session. Okay, you can rewatch the session, and if you're not able to get some part, you forgot what teacher did at that time, just go and rewatch the session, right? Rank booster quizzes, tips and tricks to crack ICSE 10th, and previous year paper analysis will be done here. So this course, bachcho, if you want to buy the crash course, that means you really want to be with Vedantu so that your marks will improve a lot, what you can do is, go to this link vdnt.in/YT10 ICSE. Visit this link, click on buy now. On that, right, there will be option, do you have a coupon code? So click on I have a coupon code, apply the coupon. What is the coupon, beta? The coupon is GPCC. GPCC. Apply this coupon, the whole course. It is of 15,998, but you will be getting in 7,999. So around 50% discount you will be getting. Okay. So this is all, bachcho, from my side. Okay, and download the Vedantu app. That is the main thing. Download the Vedantu app, take that 1 class challenge and get the micro courses for rupees 1. And if you want to take the whole syllabus, go for ICSE 10th crash course. Okay, in that we'll be having live classes, quiz, leaderboard, everything. Awesome fun we'll be having there. Okay, bachcho. And you can also join the Vedantu group, Telegram group on Vedantu, which is vdnt.in/9n10. This is the link to join the Telegram group. Okay, I have already given the schedule, and like this video, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to this channel, because you know we are the exclusive channel for grade 9th and 10th. Okay, bachcho. So this is all from my side in today's class. I'll see you soon in the next class. We have already torn the topic commercial mathematics part 2. And this is all from my side in today's class, bachon. Bye bye, good night, see you soon. Like this video, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to this channel. Okay, bachon? Chalo. Bye bye, see you soon. I'll see you on 17th of January. Till then, bye bye, good night, see you soon. Bye bye.